Is Windows failing to load because of the Windows Store App Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I've diagnosed the corruption and have the fix ready. As we prepare to fix Windows Store App Library manually, consider the professional maintenance path for a more stable workstation. This is the Windows Store App Library. This library manages the localized user interface and the background entitlement checks for the Microsoft Store application. If corrupted, the Microsoft Store will report something went wrong or fail to launch entirely, preventing users from updating or downloading purchased apps. Enough of the technical side. Let's get these files back onto your system. This is a Windows integrity issue involving a protected system file. Use an administrator command prompt to run sfc/scan now and allow Windows to automatically repair files like Windows Store App Library DLL. Persistence of this error after a clean reinstall suggests that the issue may reside within the current user session's initialization. A simple restart can resolve file in use, errors that mimic a missing Windows Store App Library message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. Since the restart didn't reset the service, we'll manually trigger the refresh now. If you need to pause the video anytime during these instructions, go ahead. If the restart failed to clear the system error, our next step is a deep cleanup of the OS servicing folders. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM /online/cleanup-image/restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, uses Microsoft's remote server repository to overwrite damaged system source files and restore your OS framework to its original state. As we finalize the restoration, it's important to observe standard security protocols regarding system files. Don't risk your computer's health by downloading Windows Store App Library DLL from random internet sources, which often harbor hidden tracking scripts and ransomware. A verified diagnostic utility can help manage the ongoing restoration and health of your system's library ecosystem. One approach to reviewing Windows Store App Library references is through a diagnostic scan. Additional information is available at the link below. If this fix repaired Windows Store App Library dependency issue, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure and stable PC.